Subhanallah.
And good morning to everyone. Myself Muhammad Ali Shahan and my friend Muhammad Ayan from 6th A. Today I am going to explain about human heart. Heart is the important organ of our circulatory system. It is the muscular organ. The size of the heart will be solely designed of fish. Heart is located in chest cavity. Arteries show in blood carry pure blood. The human heart from to all parts of the body except the pulmonary artery. The heart has 4 chambers and is surrounded by a double layer called pericardium. The upper 2 layer called atria, the lower 2 layer called ventricle. The heart pumps blood continuously throughout of our lifetime. It circulates all parts of our body. Veins show in blue. They carry impure blood from all parts of the body. Pulmonary, except the pulmonary veins. Thank you.
From 6th standard A. Today we are going to explain about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a miracle of Allah's creation. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll release oxygen. Plants are like tiny solar factories designed by Allah. This process mentioned in the Holy Quran 1400 years back itself. First water helps plants to grow in Surah 16 ayat 10 to 11. He sent down water from sky and bricks for every kind of plant.
Green vegetation color chlorophyll. We bring forth vegetation of all. The green colors come from chlorophyll, which plays the main role in photosynthesis. It is mentioned in Quran, ayat number 99, Surah number 6. Plants produce food for humans and animals. We bring forth the gardens of dates and grapes, so that they may eat of its fruits and vegetables. This is possible because plants make their own food through photosynthesis. It is mentioned in Quran, Surah number 36, ayat number 32 to 35, so that they may eat of its fruit. It is mentioned in. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Mohammad Fauzan from 6th. My project name is Electrical Conductor and Insulator. Water conductor, the material which allow electric charges from water conductor, the material which allow electric charges to pass through them are called conductor. For example, iron, copper and graphite. Water insulator, the material which do not have electric charges to pass through them. For example, plastic, fabric and rubber. By using a battery, LED bulb and a switch as to open wires. I have built a small circuit which differentiates between conductors and insulators. When the object is metal, it allows electricity to pass through them. And light will turn on. When the object is non-metal, do not light turn on. Thank you. It also metal.
Thank you.
I am Sharif Ahmad from 7K. Today my project topic is about series circuit and parallel circuit. We are testing two types of electric circuit. One is series circuit and another is parallel circuit. First look at the series circuit. We connect the light in a single line one after the another. Electricity has only one way to go. The light glows dim because they have to share power. If one light is broken, the other light goes off and the whole line is broken. Second, look at the parallel circuit. We connected the fans into separate lines to the battery. Electricity has two ways to go. The fan runs faster because each fan gets full energy. If one fan is broken, the other stays on and the other stays on. Because electricity has two parts. This is why the lights and fans in our home are wired in parallel. If one lamp burns, the other your home doesn't go dark. Thank you. The brightest object in our sky, the sun, suddenly vanishing or the usually white moon, turning a bloody red. This is the spectacular event we call as eclipse. The lunar eclipse, also known as moon shadow or earth shadow on the moon. The earth passes directly between the sun and the moon. The earth creates a shadow onto the moon. The sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere is scattered, but the blue color. Redder light is refracted, which is bent inward onto the moon's surface. The solar eclipse, moon shadow on the earth. The moon passes directly between the sun and the earth. The moon shadow onto the small region of the earth. The moon completely blocks the sun. Safe to view. Lunar eclipse, safe to view directly. Solar eclipse, you must wear a specialized certified eclipse glasses to take a partial or another solar eclipse. In conclude, looking at the sun without protection can cause permanent eye damage. Lunar eclipse is earth shadow on the moon. Solar eclipse is moon shadow on the moon. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself, Dhannu Masad, his K. Muhammad Khan. I am studying 8th standard here. My topic name is Smart Irrigation System. Now I am explaining our experiment. The smart irrigation system is a cutting-edge technology that optimizes water usage in agriculture fields, garden, landscape, review sensor weather forecast, and automate provide plant with the right amount of water, reducing waste and ensuring healthy growth. Benefits: water conservation, reduce water waste and optimize usage. Increase efficiency, automates watering shuttles and reduce labor. Improve plant health, provide plant with the right amount of water. Data driven insight, help farmer and gardens make informed decisions.
Smart irrigation system can be integrated with other technologies like drone to create a more efficient and sustainable agriculture ecosystem. Key components: sensor monitor soil moisture, weather condition and temperature. Controller analyze data, automatic watering schedules. Mobile app allows remote monitoring and control.
Dry soil.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Muhammad Razi. He is my friend Arif from 8th standard. Our trials are the selected electric. Now we are explaining about our experiment. Electric elevator are used for practical transportation of people and goods, enabling access to all places in the building. It is used for people to move from one to another without having to use steps. Elevators are used to to easily and safely move between locations and including our mostly used are essential. It is mostly used in hospitals, shopping malls, and other public places. Modern elevators have advanced safety features like emergency brakes and door sensors. Electric cable is used to lift the elevator car with weight and fuel. Assalamualaikum.
Wind turbines.
Good morning to all. Myself Muhammad Afnan from 8th standard A section. My project model is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting rainwater. We can collect rainwater from roof and surface. This water stored in roof tanks or ponds. It helps to saving water for future use. Rainwater harvesting reduces the use of groundwater. It can be used for irrigation and cleaning. Thank you.
Very good. Fine. Next.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. Myself Mohammad Umar Khan. He is my friend Ridal Khan. We are studying in 8th standard. Your topic is no control board. It is a smaller than a ship. People used to ride on the lakes, ponds, river, waterways, etc. Sailboats are sailed with the help of wind. Boats are commonly used for fishing. Boats are made up of wood, iron, steel, etc. Boats have many shapes, types, and size. Thank you. Now we are friend explain our safety.
Boat safety features. Low battery power used to function. Automatic recover load system.
My name is Mohammad Tawfiq MA and alongside my co-partner Muhammad Rahim of 9th grade. We are excited to present our project. The title is the hydraulic rocket. The hydraulic rocket works on one simple scientific principle. Pascal's law, which states that when pressure is applied to a fluid, the pressure is transmitted equal in all directions. In our model, we use water as a hydraulic fluid. The pressure builds up inside the rocket chamber. It forces water downward.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Muhammad Rahim. I show how this model works.
And as a reaction, the rocket is pushed upward. This demonstrates the Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Our project shows how hydraulic pressure can be used safely to launch a rocket without the need for fuel or combustion. Then I would like to propose the advantages of hydraulic rocket. It is eco-friendly, cost-effective, and help us to understand the real-world physics behind how rockets take off. Through this model, we highlight the importance of clean energy, fluid mechanics, and the power of scientific principle in solving modern challenges. Through this, we inspire and aspire about science knowledge. Thank you for the opportunity provided to us.
Assalamu alaikum, a very good morning to the management members, administration and teachers. I am Sehwatullah. My friend Afan have present a method of purification distillation.
Water purification means cleaning dirty water. It is the process of waste, germs, chemicals and unwanted particles from water to make it safe for drinking. Natural water is not always clean. The water forms rivers, ponds and lakes often containing mud, germs, leaves and harmful substances. Filtration helps remove visible dirt. Using a layer like cotton, sand, gravel and stone, we can filter out mud and bigger particles. Charcoal absorbs impurities. Activated charcoal or normal charcoal break the small impurities and improve the smell of taste of water. Sedimentation allows particles to settle. If you keep water undistributed for some time, heavier particles settle at the bottom. This is called sedimentation. Portable filters work like small purification systems. Water filters we use at home have candle filters or membranes that remove tiny impurities. Water is essential for health. Through these experiments, we gain our knowledge about the basic aspects of purification. Thank you.
Clean water is coming now. Come on.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is K.M. Mohammed and I am studying 9th standard A1. I are occupied with various technology and such as conveyor belt to collect and transport waste, trash collection system, the store collection waste.
River cleaning board helps reduce pollution by removing plastic waste and other pollution from waterways. Protect aquatic life by preventing harm to animals and friends. Enhance community engagement by raising awareness about water pollution. Thank you.
Wait. Water is not enough.
My project name is Free Gas. How it works? It works with the help of how it works. It works with the help of air pressure. The air pressure goes to petrol. In the petrol they made LPG. The LPG goes through the pipe to water and they filtered. The LPG is ready to fire. Eligible beneficiaries is received reduced cost of free of charge. Beneficiaries can avail subscribe to LPG. Subscribe to LPG cylinders, reducing fuel expansions. LPG is a cleaner fuel, reducing deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions. This was produced by Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana PMUY, and second one is direct benefits transfer of LPG DBTL. This is very helpful for poor and needy people. Thank you.
To the science movement across the sky, increase results in our output, increase compared to fixed panel to follow
Solar.
can boost the 40 to 50% of photovoltaics, improve the installment of solar installation. Thank you.
Second planet from the sun. The solar system is amazing. Thank you. Santana was very new to this standard able, but God has made it day and night. The earth has made it two planes of water. They are rotated and never loses. Rotation of the movements of the earth are exactly day and night. Day and night are due to the earth's rotation. At any point in time, half of the earth is in sunlight, while half of the earth is in darkness. The right half of the earth is the daytime, the dark half of the earth is the night time. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Arab and my experience is this timetable. The daughter name is Pizza. That's a house and a house. And is one type of person. It is made up of wood, mud, stone and leaf. They are temporary houses. They are not very strong and is in village. Igloo is a white type of cutter. It is made up of ice and snow. It looks like those in igloo found in Arctic region. Tent is a white type of trouser. It is made up of waterproof cloth that is easy to carry and settle. One place to another place. Tent is used for outdoor events.
Sketch pen.
It is made of building, mat and nest. It is made of brick, sand and cement. They are very strong. The skin is very strong. They are permanent on a cow. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Mutiala. Second Saturday. So my topic is about rainwater harvesting. Rain collecting and saving and water protection. We help to store water from the places. We can collect rainwater from the it is stored in dam or underground. It reduces water losses. This water can be used for plants and cleaning. It reduces water stress. This water can be used for plants and cleaning. It is good for the environment. Rainwater harvesting is an easy way to save water. Thank you.
Very good.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning to all. My name is Raja Bhatti. I am studying in Senior Standard A2. My topic this is mountain. Mountains are very tall and they are the beautiful structure in nature. Plateau has a flat top and spaceless. It is also called a flat tableland. Desert is very dry place. Water is hard to find in desert. Lakes are large area of land. And ocean is a large area of salty water between continents. We cover 72% of the Earth's surface. An island is a piece of land completely surrounded by water. Forest is a large area covered with many trees, bushes and other plants. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all. Today I am going to tell you about Chandrayaan-3 India proud moon mission. Chandrayaan-3 India special project to explore the moon. ISRO made and launched it. It had 2 main points: land and
Very good.
The launching pad, huh?
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Sofia Bushura. My topic is my model. In the forest, forest is a natural home for many animals, plant, bird and insects. Wild animals live in the forest and find their own food. Example, lion, tiger, elephant, deer, giraffe, etc. Forest gives us flesh, air, rice, wood, fruit and medicine. Those are very important for life of a safe forest, safe animals, safe and forest are the lungs of the earth. If we save forest today, forest will save us tomorrow. Thank you, David.
Very good.
Today I'm going to explain types of plants. There are 5 types of plants. Herbs, shrubs, diamonds, creepers, trees. Herbs are small plants with soft and green. Round, twisted hairs are like tiny rectangular leaves. Shrubs, these are medium-sized plants. They multiply plants and resemble roots. Trees are common or long-lived plants. They have thick curved stems. In brick. Thank you. Good morning to all. Myself, Amina, I am from Standard 8. My project was a model of sanctuary and desert. A sanctuary is a safe place for animals. Animals live to be live. No one is allowed to harm and hunt animals. Forest officers take care of animals and the plants. For example, deer, elephant, tiger. The zoo is the place where animals are kept in cages. People visit the zoo to see different animals. Zookeepers take care of animals and them give food and medicine. Example, the big difference we see in a sanctuary and a zoo are both of sanctuary and a zoo help us to learn about animals and important wildlife. Love animals and keep our earth safe for them. Thank you. Third A2. My project name is State of Matter. Solid have a fixed shape. Solid have a fixed volume. Solid do not flow. The particles are packed tightly and cannot move freely. Example, pencil. Liquid do not have a fixed shape. Liquid have a definitive value. Liquid can flow. Example, water. Gas do not have a fixed shape. Gas do not have a definitive volume. Gas move freely in all directions. Example, carpet, stone. Thank you. Historical places are very old and important. They tell us stories about kings, temples, monuments, ancient culture. Today I am going to show few models of historical places in Tamil Nadu. Mahamalapuram, Fort St. George, the Pandavara Museum, Vivekananda Rao Memorial, Ginji Fort, Nandi, Silver West Statue, Chandraud Peregur. In that I am going to tell few important of some places. Mahamalapuram, also called Show Temple, built by Pallava kings. Famous for stone carving. Fort St. George, oldest British fort, built 1544, located in Chennai. Now houses here museum, the Pandava Rathas, also called Kansaras, located in Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, carved out of one single big stone. Built not by Pandavas but by Pallava kings. Museum, a place where world and important and some places things are kept safely. People visit to museum to learn about history, science, art and culture. Vivekananda Rao Memorial, located in Viluppuram, located in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, built on a small rock island in the sea. Located island in the sea. Located where 3 oceans like Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea meet. Finally, this fort, a very old and strong fort, also called Senji Fort, located in Viluppuram district, Tamil Nadu, built by Chola kings. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all. My name is Ruzda Fatima. I am studying the standard 18. My project name is Community Helpers. Community Helpers. A farmer goes. A farmer grows food for everyone in the fields. Fields are open area. Fields are open area, and where crops are planting and grown. Postman delivery letters and postman parcel to homes.
Next. Fire station.
Teacher helps children learn the new things, shapes and future. Police protects people and maintains law and order and keeps all community safe.
Doctor.
The doctor helps people. Everyone helps sick.
Recover from disease.
Yes.
The doctor helps to recover from disease. Then,
Now I am going to explain about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a process of collecting and storing rainwater. Collecting and storing rainwater from surfaces like roof, top, or open roof can enter it. This harvested rainwater can be used for various purposes such as watering plants, fishing, toilet, washing clothes, and even for drinking after proper treatment. Water passing through the pipes enter the pit, which consists of gravel and coarse sand. As it passing through it absorbs the groundwater. Thank you.
types of pollution.
Something for after position and even order show pollution and state pollution is making our environment dirty and unsafe. It harms all living things, humans, animals, plants, even the earth. There are so many types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land and soil pollution, noise pollution, air pollution. Smoke from cars and factories mix with air and make the air dirty and causes breathing problems. Water pollution, factories, chemicals, garbage and plastics mixing to rivers, lakes and ponds. Water becomes polluted. Dirty water can make people sick. Land or soil pollution. When we dump the waste and plastics on the ground, the soil becomes polluted soil. Noise pollution. Loud sounds from horns and loudspeakers causes noise pollution. It can give us headache and disturb animals and people. So pollution is very harmful, but we can help to reduce it and make our air clean, and beautiful. Thank you. Myself started from 4th year when my project is about evolution of money. Money is used as medium of exchange, store of value, and unit of account. Money plays an important role in everyone's life. First, we have commodity money. It is also called as barter system.
Barter system.
It is the system exchanging food for goods. The process of human civilization. Commodity money changed into metallic money. Metallic money consists of copper, gold and silver coins. This is the paper money. Paper, it is the type of currency in the form of banknote. It is light in weight and easy to carry. At last we have digital money. Digital money is the form of electronic used for online transactions like Paytm, debit card, GPay, PhonePe, etc. Thank you, sir.
Everyone, my name is Vishnu. I am studying in 4th standard 8. I am going to say different types of plants of motion in a large nation size of the Earth's surface, usually steeper and taller than it. These trees are natural landforms. They rise above the surrounding land. They are found all over the world. Plateau is a flat and high landform with steep sides. It looks like a table here. Flat top and the edges. Lines of flatlands. They have a lot of open space. They do not have hills and mountains. Desert is a dry place. It gets lots of sunlight and little light. Only few kinds of plants and animals can live there. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides or river. Ocean is a body of salt water that covers approximately 70.8% of Earth. Lake is a body of freshwater or salt water surrounded by land and often situated in a volcano. A landform created by magma erupts through the Earth's surface. River. Water flows from river to ocean and sea. Lots of animals living in rivers. Thank you.
My name is Vishal and I'm reading this first and I to trading of pressure. What do you think happens when you push a big into a balloon? Pop, of course. But what about when you push a balloon and it not on wings? You might expect the balloon to pop in this situation as well, but it doesn't. This is because the pressure is spread over multiple parts, so it isn't enough to pop the balloon. Saltwater experiment. Why lemon floats in saltwater but not floats in clean water? A lemon floats in saltwater because adding salt increases the water density. Making it denser than the lemon, which allows the lemon to float. In plain water, the lemon is denser than the water, so it sinks. Reflection of water. When light waves pass from one transparent substance to another, such as air, to water or air. The arrow mark is left side. And the arrow mark is right side. The speed of light is changed as it enters a The speed of light enters a different medium. Reflection is the bending of light is changed as it. Reflection is the bending of light is passes from one transparent medium to another. Thank you, Jayan.
Good morning to all. Myself Asya Nuri. I am studying 5th standard. Today I am going to show the model of kidney and its functions. What is kidney? Kidney are tube-shaped organs located either side of the backbone. They are important organs of the excretory system. Function of kidney. Kidney clean the blood, remove waste material and harmful chemicals, convert waste and extra water into urine.
No problem. Happens.
In theory, it controls water level, maintain right amount of the water in the body, balance salts and minerals, regulate sodium, potassium, calcium and another minerals. Control blood pressure. Kidney also helping to keep blood pressure normal. Make red blood cells, maintain healthy bones. Important fact: each kidney has 1 billion tiny nephrons. It filters 150 to 180 liters of blood every day. Thank you, Jazakallah Khaira.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning to all. Myself Muhammad Saad. I am studying 5th standard A1. I will explain about conservation of energy water dam. Let me tell you about this. Conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed also. This change from one form to another form or transferred from one object to another object. We can set many examples for conservation of energy in our daily life. Here one of my examples that I am going to explain about water dam, which is my working model of tell you about how the water is converting into electricity. Water dam causes potential energy. When water falls down, potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of water rotates the turbine. Electric energy is generated. Thank you, Jazakallah Khaira.
Good morning to all. Myself, Ibrahim, I am studying class 5th. Today I am presenting the gyroscope. A gyroscope is a device that uses a spinning wheel to maintain balance and difference. When the wheel spins fast, it becomes very stable and does not fall easily. This is called gyroscope stability. How it works? It works in angular movement. Where do you use it? We use it in many modern technologies like smartphones, drones, airplanes, ships and bicycles, etc. Smartphones for screen rotation and games, drones for stability, airplanes for direction controller, ships for navigation, bicycles, wheels itself act as gyroscope. So without gyroscope, Google Maps and drones will not work. Spin fast, more stability, less falling. Thank you, Jazakallah Khair.